What if I told you that you can blow up your channel by basically cheating? Whether you're a beginner, whether you're a small channel, or you are an advanced creator, this video will enlighten you and give you the real strategies on how you can blow up your channel even with little or no subscribers. This strategy has proven to be very effective for a lot of creators, and personally, I have been able to see massive results using this simple strategy. So without wasting your time, let us get straight into the video. So even if you just started your channel today, or you are below 100 subscribers, or below 1000 subscribers, or you even have more than 1000 subscribers, this strategy works for all creators. As a content creator, if you have been struggling to get visibility, this video will be an eye-opener for you to show you the exact strategies that you need to apply for you to grow on YouTube. Now, before I give you the strategies, there are things I want you to understand. YouTube algorithm is not a human being. So YouTube algorithm does not have any feeling whatsoever. I hear a lot of people tell me, YouTube doesn't like me, or YouTube doesn't like my content, or YouTube just likes some certain kind of people, or YouTube loves creators from this part of the country or from this side. I am here to tell you that YouTube is a system. YouTube is not a human being, so blood does not run through its veins. In fact, it doesn't have vein at all. So YouTube doesn't have feelings, emotions, or whatsoever. Now, there is something that you must understand when it comes to YouTube algorithm. YouTube algorithm adores viewers. YouTube algorithm adores viewers and audience so much, because if there is no viewer, there is no way that they can get their money. So whatever that you are doing, always have viewers at the back of your mind. Always remember that, yes, that what YouTube is actually interested in is the viewers, not the creators. Yes, because we have millions of creators on YouTube, but which of those creators has visibility? Of course, it's those that have audience or viewers. So what the YouTube algorithm is interested in is the audience or the viewers. So if you're able to capture the minds of the viewers, if you're able to capture the attention of the viewers, the YouTube algorithm will not just love the viewers, but it will also love you, the creator. That is why you see that there are some certain kind of people or creators that whenever they post their video, YouTube will begin to push their videos, because YouTube has already understand the fact that these people, that viewers love them or viewers love their content. So what does YouTube do? Immediately this kind of people post their videos, YouTube will immediately start pushing it to people, and that is how a lot of people will get to see that video, and people getting to see that video will make the person get money. Okay, so now what are the strategies that you must do for YouTube to love you, for the algorithm to love you, for your channel to get blown up? Number one strategy is checking out your competitors. Yes, see, competitors are not those that you are fighting with. No, they are not those kind of competitors that you are thinking about. These competitors are the same people or creators that have the kind of niche that you have. Your competitors are people or human beings or creators that talk about the same niche as you are. For instance, if you are in lifestyle niche, your competitors are people that are also in lifestyle niche, people that create lifestyle vlogs, people that create lifestyle content. Those people are your competitors. Okay, so if you are in the finance niche, your competitors are also people in that finance niche that are doing well. Those people are your competitors, because there are people that audiences that are interested in that kind of content also watch. Now, what do you have to do? Check out 10 competitors in your niche. You can as well try getting out, you can get a pen or a paper, or you get a notepad, write out 7 small content creators in your niche. What I mean by small content creators is people that have between 1000 subscribers to at least 30,000 subscribers in your niche. Okay, I know that 30,000 is not small, but just put them as the small creators. Then list out their names. Okay, so once you list out the names of these small YouTube content creators as your competitors, write them as small content creators. Now the remaining 3, look out for 3 big content creators in your niche. Okay, remember that these people that you are going to pick out are going to be your niche. So look out for 3 big content creators that are in your niche. When you get these 3 content creators, okay, you have already know that these are my competitors. those people are your competitors. Now this bring us to the next strategy. The next strategy is check out what is trending in your niche. A lot of people do not know these things, that trending topics, I've already said these things in the previous video that I posted about how to get 1,000 subscribers, so you can quickly check that video. So back to what I'm saying, for you to get views on YouTube, check out topics that are trending at that point. Now, like I said, how do you now know topics that are trending? If you ask Google the topics that are trending in your niche, Google might not be able to give you the right topics or titles. Okay, and even if you check 2BD may not give you the exact trending topics, or every other means that you want to check. Now what will you do? Go to those 10 creators, those your competitors, and check out the contents that they are putting out at that time. Okay, so for instance, this is the month of August. Check out the topics that these content creators are pushing out. If one content creator is pushing out one particular topic, the second creator or second competitor is pushing out that same topic, if those set of people are pushing out that same topic, and that same topic is actually getting a lot of views, just know that that topic is trending. So this is one way for you to know topics that are trending. Check out your competitors, check out the topics or videos they are putting out. If those videos that they are putting out, that other competitors are putting out that same video, just know that that video is trending. And if that video is getting a lot of views, a lot of audience and all, just know that that video is currently trending. So when you have done all these things, number one is that you have known your competitors, and the second one is that you have known what is trending in your niche. Now what is the third strategy? The third strategy is by copying the titles of the video that is trending. Once you have been able to get the competitor's name, once you have been able to know what is trending, the third thing to do is by copying that particular topic, that particular title that is trending. What will you do when you copy that title? Just get that title and watch those videos of those your competitors that are trending. Watch their video, know what that video is talking about, watch that video, master that video, check, okay, this is the title that this video has, this is the kind of thing that they explained in that video. Study the video. When you study that video, pick out the title of that video, reframe that title of the video, or you can even use that exact title, just put a little twist on that title and use it for your video. Do you understand? Are you getting it now? So once you get the title, you can, if you don't know what to do about it, if you have gone through the videos and checked, okay, this is what this video is talking about, but you don't have an idea on how to structure the video, go to ChatGPT, carry that title, take it the way it is, and go to ChatGPT. Then tell ChatGPT to give you a video script. You can say, please write a YouTube SEO optimized video script for this title, include the description, the tags, the thumbnail. Okay, so once ChatGPT gives you all these things, now use that script that ChatGPT gave you, use it and make your own video. Okay, so you use it and make your own video. But if you think, okay, that what ChatGPT is giving you is quite different from what these people are saying, check what they are saying. Use your pen or notepad, write out the important points or important things that they said in that video. Once you write out the important points and the things that they said in that video, check it and put it down. Then look for a way that you can use those points and make your own video. Okay, so once you have been able to get the title and look for a way to script that video, so the next strategy to do is copy the thumbnail. Yes, copy the thumbnail. I don't know if you have noticed, but have you noticed that in a particular niche that something might be trending, and when you check those videos that are trending, it will have the same kind of thumbnail, or it will have the same pattern of thumbnail. Now this is how the psychology of viewers works. If a video is trending and there is, okay, for instance, a video is trending and someone saw that video and saw the thumbnail of that video, if that video, after watching that video, YouTube suggests another video that has the same title and thumbnail, just like the one that he or she just watched. Trust me, that viewer will also like to watch that video, like the next one that he or she saw, so that he or she will know, okay, let me see or know what this content creator actually talked about. Maybe he or she did not fully understand what the first person talked about, what the first creator talked about, or got confused in one way or the other. That person would like to see the next video that talks about that same thing. And if your thumbnail looks exactly like that first one, trust me, the viewer would like to see what your video is talking about. So what do you have to do in this strategy? Copy the thumbnail. You don't necessarily have to pack the person, like you don't necessarily have to carry the whole thumbnail and put it as your own thumbnail. No, that is not what you have to do. What you have to do is just remove the person's face. Put, you know how, for instance, the person in that thumbnail, the person was just doing pointing like this and said fix this. So once the person is pointing like this and said fix this, your own video, your own thumbnail should also have something like pointing, and then you type in that thumbnail fix this. So your thumbnail and that other person's thumbnail should have how do I say, should have this look alike. I'm just looking for the best word to use. Should have, but you understand already, right? So your thumbnail and the person's thumbnail should just look alike. It should have similarity. I said that's the exact word I'm looking for. It should have similarity. So once you have a similar thumbnail with the other creator that you just imitated, remember I said you are copying the person's thumbnail. I did not say you are pasting the person's thumbnail. So just copy what is in that thumbnail, the kind of things that was put in that thumbnail, the color, the visuals, the words and all that. So once you copy it, make sure that that kind of thing is also in your own thumbnail. Now the next strategy is using or copying the video strategy. What I mean is, if you see that video, okay, you have gone ahead to check the title. For instance, the title of the video is how to achieve glowing skin in 30 days. Now what you have to do, I've already told you, then you just take the title of the person. Maybe you just say how to achieve a glowing skin in 20 days, or this is the best way to achieve a glowing skin in 30 days. Now you have copied the title and the thumbnail is looking, your thumbnail has this similarity with the person's thumbnail. So once you are done with this, so the next thing you have to do is check the video, study the video, study the content of the video. Okay, this is what this video is all about. Okay, this is how the person started. Okay, this is the hook. Okay, this is the part, the parts in the video. Okay, this is what the person said in the video. Study that video and know what the person said in that video, how the person said the things he said in that video. For you to get an accurate, or for you to get a better understanding, check out 2, 3, 4 videos about that same topic, about that same title, and then watch those videos. Watch them from the beginning to the end. Watch the second one from the beginning to the end. Watch the third one from the beginning to end. Watch the fourth one from the beginning to end. Once you watch these videos, you already have an idea. Okay, this is how I should start. Okay, this is what I should say. Okay, this is what I should do. And by the time you have already understood this video and what was said in that video, then you have to replicate that video. So this is one strategy that is massively blowing up small channels. If you're a small channel, whether you are in 0 subscriber, whether you just have 10 subscribers, whether you just have 50 subscribers, 80 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, 3,000 subscribers, I am telling you, just try this strategy. Use this month of August to check out videos that are trending in your niche. This particular strategy works for every niche. It works for every niche, whether you are in the finance niche, whether you are in the gaming niche, whether you are in the lifestyle niche, whether you are in the whatever niche that you are in. Just check out videos that are trending in that your niche. Once you check out the videos that are trending in your niche, what you have to do is replicate the video, replicate the title, replicate the title, replicate the thumbnail, replicate what that video is talking about. I'm not saying you should just copy everything in that video. I'm not saying you should just take the whole video the way it is and say it on your own. You can just, anyway, it's not possible that you will just take everything that the person said and say it. There is no way that you will say what someone said exactly the person said it, exactly, and how the person said it. Okay, so what I'm saying is, copy the strategy of that video and know, okay, this is what is working in that video, and this is how the person did it for it to work. Once you have done that, then script your video and do your own video. So once you are done with that video, this takes us to the last strategy that you should copy. The last strategy is check the person's description. Okay, so you have already done the video, you have already copied the title, you have already done everything that I say you should do. Check out the person's description and say, okay, this is what the person said in that description, and okay, I've seen what the person said. Then your own description should be in line with how the person said his or her own. Don't copy the person's description, no, but look at the description so that it will be a guide for you to know what you should put on your own description of the video. Okay, so once you are done with that one, the next thing that you have to do is copy the titles of those videos that you saw are trending. Okay, those videos that you saw that I said, okay, that you should copy at least from 4, 5, 6 people. Those videos that are trending, copy their titles exactly the way it is and put them as your tags. So what the YouTube algorithm is going to do is, once someone's type the exact title of that person's video, your video is going to be suggested. Once the person type the second title of the person, your own video is going to be suggested. So as much as other people keep searching for titles that are like that, your video is going to be suggested because you use those titles as your tags. Do you understand? If you don't understand anything, just tell me, and I'll make sure to give you a better clarification. But I hope this is clear enough. So make sure that you use those people's titles as your tags. That way, YouTube will be able to be suggesting your videos to as many people that are interested in that kind of video. So this is basically what you can do in order to blow up your channel. If you find this video very, very helpful, please do well to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Yes, in case you don't know me, my name is Gap. I create contents about YouTube growth and monetization. So in this channel, I will give you strategies, tips, hacks on how to grow your channel very fast and also get your channel monetized very fast. Okay, so if this is the kind of contents that you are always interested in, please do well to hit the like button. Please give this video a like and then subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you each time I make a new upload. Please, once you try this strategy and it works, because I know it will work, once you try this strategy and it works, come back to this video and put it on the comment section and tell me what happened, how your video was, or how your channel was, and what happened after you try this strategy. Always know that I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting for you. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.